Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll learn a new library in Python, that is pivotkit. Now open your command prompt and install that using pip install pivotkit. So actually I have installed this already. If you haven't have this library, you will get a successful message. Now open Python file, import that, and using library name dot send what message. So this send what message is the attribute of that library. So now here you write your mobile number. Hello, this is from Python live. So this is your message. Now here you have to write times when you have to send. So now for example we'll take it is 9:34 hours, 9 hours 34 minutes, and this should be greater than 1 minute. So I'll keep it as 9 hours 36 minutes or 37. So I have written it as 9 hours 37 minutes. Close, save. So after running you will get this message like 77 seconds plus 60 seconds left. So before 1 minute it will get open in the web page, and exactly at the time when you have sent, that will send the message. We'll see. Now you can see here it was directly opened in WhatsApp. So we'll wait till 9:37. And you can see here it is 9:37 and it has sent. Okay guys, thank you. Try it.